Welcome to Construction Robotics. Tom Clark, I'm your host. This is Scott Peters, who is, you're the head mule, I guess. Could I call you the head mule?
The head mule, that works.
I love it.
I'll take that.
Scott's with us every year with the mule, and it's just an amazing machine. Last year we had a mule up on the JLG, which is over there, and you have that. And we've looked at the 150 before, and now we've got something new and exciting that you guys, you've paired up with the group behind me. And what's this guy doing back here?
Yeah, so he's floating blocks. So here at Construction Robotics, we're doing the same thing as always, saving backs, saving shoulders, helping people feel better at the end of the day.
Wait a minute, wait. Is that why the people at Cirque du Soleil can throw people around? That's what you have the mule hooked up to everybody.
You got to use the mule. You got to float them.
It's construction robotics. They ought to call it the CR Cirque du Soleil. Right? No. Tell us, because we've got the 100 that's up here, and you've got it on a mobile machine. Explain what we're seeing here, Scott.
Yeah. So the MZ100, we launched that last year. Battery-powered smart lifting tool. Incredible versatility. We've had unbelievable success this past year with the mule. Laid huge amounts of blocks, and so this year, we continue to try to push the envelope for more and more mobility. Last year, we launched the scissor lift mount with JLG, which has been awesome. This year, we partnered with a company, Equipter, out of Pennsylvania, and so we've integrated the MZ100 or the ML150 into this Equipter. And the awesome thing about this piece of equipment is just added versatility, where we can now tow this piece of equipment behind your truck, get to the job site, deploy the wheels, and drive it from that spot when you get to your job site to where you want to use the mule, elevate it in position, and lay your first 12 feet, no problem with the mule. So added versatility across the board is one of our key drivers.
That was absolutely amazing what I just did. We were passing the block back and forth.
That's right.
The mobility and the versatility of this is ridiculous.
Yeah, so we keep focusing on how you can get the mule in more and more places. Integrations with mass climbing companies like Hydromobile, Freco, Easy Scaffold, rail systems. Just the options are endless for how you can put mules on your jobs.
What about, and I don't know, I was lifting block. I wasn't paying attention. So I'm going to get in trouble for that. Residential?
Yeah, so residential.
Really?
So with the Equipter, if you're laying residential, and I tell you, one of the best stories from this year is we have a residential contractor out of Michigan that picked up a mule, him and his brother, two masons, and they're doing basements, and they're at an age where they're like, look, I don't know if I can keep doing this. My back's killing me, my shoulders are killing me, and so they bought a mule this year, and it's been unbelievable. They absolutely love it. They're killing productivity. They feel great at the end of every day, and so now, by partnering with Equipter, anybody, residential masons, can tow this thing behind their truck, show up on the job site, drive it to where they want, elevate it, and make that block weightless. Saving their backs and bodies.
Something new every day. Okay, So we had a robot over there that was 3D pinning. We got a robot over here that's lifting block.
Yeah.
I mean, they're taking over, man.
Yeah, you know, we want to keep helping the trade grow, succeed, and feel good at the end of the day, reducing the injuries and helping masonry be successful. That's what we're here for.
You know, and I'm kind of curious, before I let you go, do you hear a lot of that feedback like, you saved my back, you saved my knees, you extended my career? That seems to be there at the top of the list, and you really had the masons in mind when you're designing stuff like this. Like, what can we do to help them out, to not only make the trade better, but to help them physically as well?
Absolutely. I think one of the things we've learned early on in our development as a company, bringing robotics, bringing technology into this industry, is the importance of engaging the worker, the importance of assisting them. And so a big part of our technology development path, the things that we bring to the market, are about helping the worker, right? At the end of the day, we know that in order for the trade to be successful and grow, we need to integrate technology with people. It's not about replacing, it's none of that. It's about helping them feel better, helping them do more with less, and just that's how we grow as an industry together. So,
well, that's important. So come see Scott and his crew. Here, pass that to me, would you? Just let's throw this over here. And you can pass a brick, too, with the team, because that's what it's all about, making it nice and easy. Come see Scott and the group over here at Construction Robotics, and you're just going to see some amazing things. Thanks again,
Tom.
buddy. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.